Hello. In NoSQL, what is use of NoSQL in data science? In this, we will see CAP theorem. Here, CAP stands for consistency, availability, partition, tolerance. According to CAP theorem, the three possibilities. The first one, consistency. The second one, availability. The third one, partition tolerance. Here in this diagram, you can see at a time any two possibilities are allowed. If you can see consistency, availability, CA. If you can see consistency, partition tolerance, CP. If you can see availability and partition tolerance, AP. So at a time, only two possibilities are possible. This situation is called as CAP theorem. In CAP theorem, which is also called as Brewer's theorem, it states that is impossible for a distributed data store to offer more than 2 out of 3 guarantees. In the diagram we already seen in that only two possibilities are possible. This states that it is impossible for a distributed data store to offer more than 2 out of 3 guarantees. The first one consistency, second one availability, and third one partition tolerance. This is called as CAP theorem. While coming to consistency, here every node provides the most recent state or does not provide a state at all. That is consistency. Then the data should remain consistent even after the execution of an operation. This means once data is returned, any future read request should contain the data. For example, after updating the order status, all the clients should be able to see the same data. This is consistency. Coming to availability, every node has constant read and write access. This is availability. In availability, the database should always be available and responsive. It should not have any downtime. This is availability. Then coming to partition tolerance, the system works despite partitions in the network. In partition tolerance, it means that the system should continue to function even if the communication among the servers is not stable. For example, the servers can be partitioned into multiple groups which may not communicate with each other. Here, if part of the database is unavailable, then other parts are always unaffected. This is partition tolerance. Here can only have two of three. This we already seen. Either CA or CP or AP. It is not possible having more than two guarantees out of three. That is consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. If we will consider the following combinations, see the guarantees. First, partition tolerant plus available. If we can consider these two, it is not consistent. Then if we can consider partition tolerant plus consistent, this combination is not available. If we can consider consistent plus available, here not partition tolerant. Yeah, this is about CAP theorem.